She found it!
Stress. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh my god! Okay.
Are you excited? What's that? Color. Oh.
That's not easy.
Wow.
We are here right now, and this map goes this direction, and the temple is here.
How far is it?
It's about 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah,
I go there.
right.
I got a lot of things to eat. Eh? Eh?
怎么？Let me try.
没有带来呀。
Which one 什么没有带来
That insert, Tokyo insert. Damn it.
你刚才有 stamp 那这个
No, another one.
哦。有 so many people.
No, yeah, I realized. Oh my god.
It's okay. Later we are going to the shop. Anything later buy.
Oh yeah, bring the Tokyo insert. Now I realized.
It's okay. Later we can go and shop.
She's like drawing every single place. What are you drawing? Sushi, fish.
Fishy.
Fishy.
Nice or not?
No.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god. Hey. Oh shit. Let's see if Jane is more successful. Like,
We brought our Sika ink, our private ink. It's just a sample. I even brought my personal jelly pen.
wait.
Wait, you have me press.
This is
Got jelly pen, you need jelly pen.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa,
nice.
How? So we are at the water brush area. Look at the colors. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at this.
Ikarade.
They have
How much is it?
fiber tipped. I've never seen fiber tipped before.
I cannot focus.
I've decided to buy.
Cannot focus, I'm very hungry. Cannot. We're like simply buying stuff.
Very sweet. But it could be very sweet. Layer of sugar. Icing.
Very sweet.
strong.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, beautiful.
Amazing.
Three, two, one. Ta-da!
Whoa.
You are a pro. See? This is the pro level perfection.
So you live in the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Hope I got the time to tell.
You see one person pressing the table, one person stamping. Wow.
Because the table is very wonky.
Hello, Leah.
3, 2, 1. You think this is like we are making use of time to journal, right? Food, fluffy pancakes. But I'm not journaling, I'm so tired. Got our postcard from Views because we asked for a souvenir, like business card, and they gave us a postcard. We were looking for the stamp in Harajyuku Station. Yes!
Yeah.
This time I need to wait it out. Hold on tight, there's a storm standing in the eye. When it rains, it pours, and you sure know how. she lights up the sky tonight. You may think that you've lost me already. I feel that you tell me, but I'm still your girl. You may think that you've lost me already, but when things get heavy, I'm still your girl. This time, I think I'll wait it out. Staring up at the ceiling like a restless child.